Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we will be learning what is functional interface. Before we, discuss about the functional interface, let's recap what is exactly an interface is. An interface is a one which will be having a number of abstract methods that is called an interface. So when it comes to the functional interface, a functional interface is a one which will be having a single abstract method. There is a difference between the interface and functional interface. You have to identify that. Okay, so an interface will be having any number of abstract methods. When it comes to the functional interface, you can write only a single abstract method. If an interface contains a single abstract method, then such type of interface is called functional interface. Let's write the interface first, then I'll write the functional interface. Okay, let's write interface I1 is an interface name we have, and we have like no multiple methods which is there in the interface. Display uh, display one is one more interface method, display two, display three. These are the multiple methods which we are writing, multiple abstract methods which we are writing inside this interface one. So this interface, a normal interface, will take any number of abstract methods. Okay, when it comes to the functional interface, it will take only a single abstract method. We will be creating a functional interface now. Interface and I2, and I'll be writing a method display. Okay, so now this is looking like a normal interface now. So how we are saying like this is a functional interface? So if you want to make this is a normal interface, I'll agree with that. But if you want to make this interface as a functional interface, you have to use a annotation called at functional interface. Now let's discuss the definition once again. What is a functional interface? A functional interface is a one which will be having a single abstract method. Then such type of interface is called functional interface. Now this is a functional interface, and this is not the functional interface. This is a normal interface. Okay, got it? Okay. In the next session, we will be learning about what the other. We will be writing additional methods inside the functional interface. We will be discussing those in the next session. Until then, thank you for watching.